What's up, guys? It's been about 2 weeks since I applied the Lawnstar liquid chelated iron. I just want to go over my thoughts and will I continue to use it, or will I try something else in the future? So far I am pretty happy with it. As you can see, I got an even, consistent dark green lawn now. I'm gonna pop up a picture right here. So I did a test patch at the very beginning when I got this product, and it made a perfect square of dark green, almost perfect. I struggle to get the edges of my yard watered, so you'll see that the edges are a little bit patchy, but basically makes a straight line. I'll pop it up here again between just that square edge of my lawn. I'll put a line there to show where it's at, but basically it darkened it up quite a bit, and so then I applied it to the rest of my lawn, as you can see from the start of the video, and 2 weeks later I got a consistent, even dark green. So I would say using liquid iron on top of a regular fertilization schedule does give your yard a darker green and a little bit better pop. So I believe I'm going to keep using it, and I'll post up a drone pic right here of the final result. But yeah, I think the liquid chelated iron is definitely a true product that does improve the quality of your yard. I also applied it over here on my test patch. So this area is 100% rye, and it is nice dark green with a few little weeds, and I'm working on getting rid of those. So it's kind of cool, but yeah, definitely recommend the Lawnstar liquid chelated iron. But stick around, I'll be testing more products and do more lawn videos. So till next time, peace.